What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best travel cameras in 2024. Through extensive research and testing I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether it's price performance or its particular use. We've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 5, Fujifilm X-T30 II Bundle. Compact brilliance, maximum impact, a pixel connection creation that packs a punch. This compact marvel boasts a 26.1 MP APS-C sensor, advanced autofocus, and 4K video capabilities. Included in the bundle, 64GB memory card, waterproof gadget bag, hand/wrist strap, and pixel cleaning kit. The camera's sleek design features a tilting touchscreen and a compact body for on-the-go shooting. Perfect your shots with image stabilization and unleash your creativity. Support small businesses, secure your purchase with signature confirmation, and dive into a world of visual excellence with the Fujifilm X-T30 II Bundle. Number 4, Olympus OM5, Adventure-Ready Photography. Embark on photographic journeys with the Olympus OM5, featuring a 20MP sensor, rugged weather-sealed design, and a compact form. It's your go-to for spontaneous outdoor captures. Key features: 20MP sensor, unleash precision in every frame. Weather-sealed, brave any adventure confidently. Compact design, perfect for on-the-go photography. Don't miss this chance to own the Olympus OM5 and elevate your outdoor photography effortlessly. Number 3, Panasonic Lumix TZ200 Pocket-sized brilliance. Elevate your photography with the Panasonic Lumix TZ200. This compact 4K digital camera boasts a 20.1 MP sensor, 15x Leica lens, and optical image stabilization for stunning shots on the go. Key features: versatile zoom, 15x Leica DC Vario Elmar lens for dynamic framing. 4K mastery, capture brilliance with 4K video and creative Lumix 4K photo options. Creative freedom, scene modes, filters, and advanced controls at your fingertips. Precision display, frame shots effortlessly with the high-res viewfinder and touch-enabled 3-inch LCD. On-the-go ready, USB charging, Wi-Fi connectivity, and compact design for seamless adventures. Seize the moment with the Panasonic Lumix TZ200, your portable powerhouse for incredible captures. Don't miss out on this pocket-sized marvel. Number 2, GoPro HERO10 Bundle. Action unleashed. Embark on your adventures with the GoPro HERO10 Waterproof Action Camera Bundle. This compact set includes a 50-in-1 accessory kit, a 128GB microSD card, and a Wave rechargeable battery for all-in-one action capture. Key features: HDR imaging, shoot 5.3K 60 video and 23MP RAW photos for vibrant details. Versatile accessories, the 50-in-1 kit ensures you're ready for any adventure. Ample storage, never miss a moment with the included 128GB microSD card. Power on the go, the high-capacity 1720 mAh battery keeps you shooting longer. Capture the essence of your moments effortlessly with this GoPro HERO10 Bundle. Action awaits, seize it. Number 1, Sony RX100 VII, power in your pocket. The Sony RX100 VII compact camera, a pocket-sized powerhouse for photography enthusiasts. With a 20.1 MP 1.0 type stacked CMOS sensor and advanced features like 20 frames per second shooting, AI-based real-time tracking, and 4K video capabilities, this compact camera delivers professional-grade imaging in a sleek design. Explore your creativity with the RX100 VII, where portability meets exceptional performance. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.